Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best free tax filing in the US by comparing TaxAct and Cash App taxes in 2025. If you're looking for the best free tax filing in the US, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Cash App taxes is best for DIY filers who know what they're doing. You can file state and federal returns for free with access to nearly every IRS form and schedule, although there's no real professional support and multi-state returns aren't supported. Cash App taxes includes free audit defense with every return. And the best thing about it is that it's completely free. There is also audit defense if the IRS audits your tax return, and you can get refund 5 days earlier if deposited in Cash App account. But there is no support from tax professionals. Most information must be input manually. TaxAct's deduction maximizer tool can suggest deduction options based on your situation. It has multiple plans like free, deluxe, premier, self-employed. If you're penalized because of a mistake TaxAct made, the company will not only refund the cost of your software and pay the difference in your tax bill, it will reimburse any penalties or interest and cover legal or audit fees up to $100,000. There are many plus points, like it is more affordable than other paid software programs. Accuracy guarantee covers legal fees up to $100,000. All plans come with live support from tax experts. Free tier can process both federal and state returns. But the returns with freelance or investment income don't qualify for free plan, and it doesn't offer tax refund advance loan. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.